Synchronize tool lets you synchronize penetrations with cutting elements. There are 4 types of changes that can be tracked and synchronized: position change, dimension change, deletion, and new cutting or host element. To be able to synchronize penetrations, you first need to create a clash file and update the model so that initial auto penetrations are created. It was already done in this model, and you can see the workflow in the previous video. Let's select cutting elements in this model and apply changes to them. Let's change the pipe diameter with Modify Properties tool. Let's move the second pipe. Then let's move one of these walls to make the opening lose its host. And let's add a new cutting element where the opening is missing. Now click Synchronize and notice that the position change status is added as a tree view in the Penetration Manager. Click Apply Changes and the position change status is removed. Elements are moved under Penetration Created status. Now update the model and see all the auto penetrations adjusted to the elements.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.